So select the date -1, it will give 18th day. I want to go back last 30 days or 50 days, not get date. So I have, let's say, so let's start from employee info, right? So here any date field is there. So which is the date field? Anyone?
Hire date.
Hire date. Excellent. Okay. Hire date is a date field, comma, hire date. I want to go back hire date minus 30 days. Let's see what is written.
సార్ మనకు హైర్ డేట్ ఒకటే కావాలనుకుంటే నార్మల్ మనకు ఓన్లీ హైర్ డేట్ కావాలా లేకపోతే అన్ని కావాలా సార్?
కాలమ్సా అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. So first of all, date field, hire date is a date field. So it is not supporting here -30. So only get date it's supporting. Okay. Get date you want to go back -30 days are supporting. So let's see. You want to convert cast as date. Date is incompatible with integer. What is the question is? So this is date field. This is integer field. So it is not recognized. So for that, in order to achieve this one, we want to go back 30 days back. There is a keyword called as Dateadd. What is the keyword? Dateadd. Okay. Dateadd. So Dateadd keyword. What is the syntax for Dateadd? Anyone help me?
హైర్ డేట్ మైనస్ 30.
Okay, you have to pass interval. So we have to pass here DD means we want to go back days or so this is called as we can call as interval, date or year or month. And this is number of days. How many days you want to go back? This is number of days -30 days. So if we are going minus date, whereas now instead of this get date, we have to give higher date. Now it will solve our solution. See here. So let's see here -6 17 go back 30 days. So earlier does not supporting that. So Dateadd is a function we can add number of days, either positive days or negative days. If we give 30 days future days, you have to give plus 30 days. So it will give plus 30 days means so 7/19 will add and give a August month. So August, so sorry, you have to give higher date, right? Based on this, right? You will give. This is higher date. It is adding for next 30 days 07 17. So similarly, if we go for Power BI, Please let me know if anyone not understanding this one. I can help you. చాలా ఆ రోజు ఏంటి కదా అలా ఇన్ని రోజులు నువ్వు అడగలేదంటే he installs 2 servers. ఓకే సో ఏం చేయాలంటే సో కనెక్ట్ డేటాబేస్ సో హియర్ సర్వర్స్ నేమ్ రాలేదు సో గో టు బ్రౌజ్ ఫర్ మోర్ whenever you in your mission you install 2 servers database engine you install 2 servers one is desktop this is one server and one more server install 2 times okay then you have to select any server one computer physically to contain more than one server so you install 2 servers select this server and click OK. Now server name come in here. Then trust server certificate connect. Okay. Now we can create the tables. So anyone have questions like when you click page, so automatically this colors is coming background, right? So how it is set? Anyone till now I did none of one asked this question. So every time I want to remove this one. For this, there is a settings called as go to view. Go to view. There is themes are there here. So drop down, there is a drop down button is there here. Okay. And there is customized current theme is there. There is option. Go down. See here. Okay, let me move. So I'm going to again. There is a view button. View tab is there, right? From view, there is so if you select any view, it will set automatically. It will change accordingly. This thing. So for right now, the themes whatever the themes we have applied, customized current theme. Okay. So they have customized current theme. That means every page it will come the same thing. Select that one. Select that one. So page level. So we are this setting is page level. So go to page level. So there. Okay. Now the theme got modified. Let's see. I will reopen this file. This is global level setting for all the. No need to set all the things for page level. So each page like very difficult to set again. Every time it is setting all the properties is bit different. Instead of that, we have set the properties at the global kind of settings. So once set that theme level, it will fit for all the pages. Okay. So go to view. Let's see here. Just go through the page. Loading still. So just I'm going to add one more page. Page name is 4. Okay. See here. This setting how it is set. Right? So we automatically comes right. This setting. So when you click page 5, the same thing it is coming. So where we need to set is go to view. This all the settings where it is done is go to view and there is called as themes here. There is a themes drop down is there. So in the theme drop down, when you select any theme, automatically set that theme into all the pages. Okay. Now go to the customized current theme. go to the page level. Okay. Filter pane. In the filter panel also it is there. If you want to change some other color, let's for understanding purpose. Sorry. Apply. See now, got modified. So now you click any page, automatically comes to this page. Page level, I want to apply this color, red color, or apply. Okay. Save. So in the visual levels, these are visual level color. We want to change visual level color. It will change green color, just to understand. So that this black one, it will be changed accordingly. It's not reflecting. So go to transparency and apply this blue color. Apply. Okay. It's happening. Okay, that is visual level, page level, filter pane, and also filter pane, page level. So these are the settings generally. How we set is go to for anyone like enter the same options, like same options. We want to set it like, and also theme, the themes gallery, any themes coming from outside also it will support. Browse for theme or customize current theme. So you can utilize. For example, you can save this all the changes and save current theme. You can save it. You can save this current theme and it is JSON file. It will JSON file it will be generated. The same thing we want to do another report. We can use the same file for other. So do that practice. Okay. So I'm going to undo all the same changes. So I don't want to. Don't save. Open. Again. Okay. Now, how to get it? How to same similar way in Power BI? What is today date in Power BI?
Date equals to today or now?
Today or now?
Now.
What is the difference between those both? Now it will give time. To Dateidd it will give only date. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So one more function is called Dateadd. So for the Dateadd, right? And we are going to 30 days back or 30 days forward or backward. So if we go for the 30 days forward, like in future date, it will come. So based on this hire date. So let's see what is the hire date is here for this employee. For the employee 100, what is the hire date is 06/17. If we are going to add 30 days for this, okay, it is added here 2003/07/17. So 30 days added for this day. So similarly, how we can do in Power BI data add function. Okay. So if you define text, right, wherever we define as text as a data type font family, so here, so whenever drag and drop any text, automatically set this font size. Okay. Card and KPIs or tab headers, no need to save anywhere. Like always, you have to cards and KPIs, any visuals, you have to set these properties automatically will come. So tab headers, visuals, page visuals. I'm going to set visual. Right. Okay. So I'm going to add new page. So go to calendar. So I'm going to add. So let's go for date field. So first of all, select. I want to see what are the dates are there. Go to date here. Okay. This is date field. I want to add today date. So new method. So the current date. So it will display here. For the current rate, everything is displayed same way, same date. So I want to convert this one to short date. Okay. Okay. Now I want to add for this state. I want to go back for 30 days for this state. So what is the function which will help? I want to go back for 30 days for this state. So in SQL Server, go back 30 days. We want to Dateadd. Datediff, it will give the calculation between 2 days. But the requirement is I want to add 30 days back. Okay. So how many days? If we give start date and end days, we'll give what is the number of days difference between 2 days. Will work for date difference. Okay. But the question is here, I want to go back 30 days. Only one start date is there. Only one date is there. So for the date diff, we need 2 dates is there. You want to go back for 30 days. So simple, we'll go with Dateadd function. So right click, new measure again. So Dateadd function. So Dateadd. So here simple syntax is there. Do not worry. So based on this syntax, don't remember. Sometimes may forget. So always we have to give dates, number of intervals and interval. So here, so in SQL Server is different. So dates, number of interval. So let's see Dateadd. What is mean by date? What is this date? We have to pass the dates. What is
Current
this
date.
date? No. For the very first column, this column. This column coming from here. So calendar date field. Okay, have to pass calendar date field. So calendar date. So for this date, I'm going to number of intervals. So how many days? 30 days back. So minus 30, and we want to give interval. So we want to day or month, quarter or year. As part of the requirement, we want to go back for 30 days. So which interval we have to choose? Days. DD. So here we can select as day. So for measures, always keep for best practice, always keep underscore. So it will come top. So first top it will come. So in the calendar table, I'm going to create in the calendar table. So whenever give hyphen underscore, it will come top. So now check what is happening. Could not load the data for these results.
అక్కడ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది సింగిల్ కోట్స్ వచ్చినాయి క్యాలెండర్ లో?
Dateadd calendar date. Date. It's asking dates, only one day it is asking. Understood. So it will give today date. Let's say now it will return. Don't worry, I got it, the logic. So based on this example, it will Dateadd. So the first one must specify column today or now.
కరెంట్ డేట్.
Measure. The measure is not supporting. So for this scenario, measure does not work. Understood? For Dateadd function, so it is right? It is data function. We have to create. This is column, right? We want to add a column level. We have to, instead of measure, we have to go for column. Then only it will work. So where we have to use measure, where we have to use column based on the situation. In this case, if we go for measure, does not work. Measures always we have to use for aggregate related sum or max this one. So this is completely the column levels, right? So date add, so date add, so date add, so dates, so calendar, so calendar date here, comma minus 30 days, comma date. So now we'll create the calculated column without any. See here, it is not throwing any error. So drag and drop this column. Now we can verify it. So what is happening? It is not returning any result. Okay, let's see here. So we are going to 30 days back, 12/30/2023. So 30 days back, 11/30/2022. So 11 months. Okay. Okay. So we want to increase the font. Definitely, I will increase. Now, this is fine, or you want to some more zoom it? This is fine right now. So
Sir,
just watch it. Yes, Rohit.
ఓన్లీ వన్ డేనే మైనస్ అయింది మనం 30 ఇచ్చినాం కదా.
Only one day minus. No, this is not. The format is different, Rohit. This is starting with C, month, followed by DD. So what? Got it?
ఓకే
Month, day, year. This is the
ఓకే
format.
ఓకే.
But good question. So generally, if you want to confusion that, so you have to give here there is a Dateadd function. So you have to specific the format. So general date always start. So in you want to that format, you have to choose here. So you want to start with the day, right? Day. Where is that? So you want to give, see this format, it will come automatically that one. It will change now. For Dateadd, now it will change. See here. Day, month, and also you want to change this one as format type. You have to choose. Where is it? Here. So so now check here. So 12 month, 1 month. Better will go for, instead of that, we'll go for 7 days. Easily you can understand. 30 days is not right. Measures లో workout కాదు. Okay? Calculated column. So when we have to use measures, so whenever you are going to, it is row by row process. This value is depending on this value. Then we have to go for calculated column. So measures means we have to like aggregate sum of total sales, right? Then we have to go with measure. So based on the requirement, we have to decide this whether we can achieve measure or column. Have to think it before while creating the calculated column or measure. Clear? Okay, fine. So date difference. So go for an SQL server. What is the syntax? See here, the syntax is different. కొత్త కాలం క్రియేట్ రైట్ క్లిక్ న్యూ కాలం. So just syntax is totally different. So Dateadd, first of all we are passing interval. So reverse in Power BI reverse, completely reverse. So first we have to pass date, then interval, number of days, then interval. So in SQL Server is completely different approach. First we are passing here, see in the Power BI date, number of days and interval. But in SQL Server, first we have to pass interval, number of days and date. So create one more column, different new column, Dateadd, Datediff. So Datediff definitely is required. So how many days between this start date and end date? We want to calculate number of days or number of years. You know the start date and end date. So the question is, so here, let's go for this employee, how many years staying in the current organization? So when he joined in the organization 2023, how many years so far? So for that, we have to use Datediff. Datediff. Datediff is a function. It will ask DD days, start date, hire date, today date, year date, as number of years experience. Total experience. Okay, let's execute here. See, total experience is 21 years he is staying. Got it. So how many employee this staying in the current organization? So based on hire date, how you can మనము ఒక కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయ్యింది. సో జాయినింగ్ డేట్ ఉంటుంది, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as హైర్ డేట్. హైర్ డేట్ నుంచి నువ్వు ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ వర్క్ చేసావంటే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం జనరల్ గా, ఈ రోజు నుంచి హైర్ డేట్ కి ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ అయింది ఇయర్స్ లో కానీ డేస్ లో కానీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకుంటే నేను ఇయర్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాను. జనరల్ గా టోటల్ ఇయర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎవరైనా అడిగేది ఆ కంపెనీలో ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ అయినా అడుగుతారు, ఎన్ని డేస్ అని అడగదు. కాబట్టి నేను ఇయర్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. దట్స్ ద రీజన్ వై ఫార్మ్ and hire date, today date will give total experience. See, this employee joined in 2003 and total experience is 21 years. So for the 2005, 19 years. We want to, so where we can use date if we want to difference number of years or number of days. Okay, so that we can use date function. Clear, right? Where we can use date function. Okay, let's go for now. The same in here. Datediff. So here Datediff function is date call. We have to pass to date 1, date 2 columns followed by interval. Okay. So Datediff, what is the first date one is? We have to give some date, any date, calendar date. So calendar. No, here the high date is not there, Rohit. That's the reason. Datediff of calendar. Where is calendar? Date is there. This date. So I have added, right, Dateadd function. So how many days I want to,
Run today.
yeah, Dateadd. So this, and I want to give interval number of days, day. That's all. Here the syntax is different.
సార్ డేట్ యాడ్ అనేది మనం యాడ్ చేసినాం కదా సార్, బై డిఫాల్ట్ గా డేట్ వేరే ఉంది కదా.
అవును, మనం 7 days యాడ్ చేసినాం. ఇట్ విల్ రిటర్న్ 7 days.
మైనస్
7 days మైనస్ 7 days చేసినాం అట్లా. అంతే కదా, డేట్ యాడ్ లో ఏముంది, మైనస్ 7 days యాడ్ చేసినాం.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 10 ఇస్తే ఇక్కడ 10 వస్తుంది. సేమ్ డిఫరెన్స్ డేస్. సో ఇప్పుడు 10 చేంజ్ చేసాం అనుకో, ఇక్కడ కూడా డేట్ డిఫ్ కూడా మనకు 10 వస్తుంది. సో ఇది ఎప్పుడు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తారంటే, సపోజ్ యూఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఎనీ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో ఒక ఇష్యూ పైన ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, మీకు బాగా ఐడియా ఉంటుంది. ఒక టికెట్ రేట్ చేస్తారు, ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్. ఆ ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఎన్ని డేస్ లో రిజాల్వ్ అయింది. ఓకే, ఇన్సిడెంట్ రేట్ చేశారు, సొల్యూషన్ రేట్ చేశారు. ఆ ఇన్సిడెంట్ సొల్యూషన్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్. యా, యు వాంట్ టు difference between how many days the incident has completed. For that, you have to use Datediff function. So one more scenario, our experience, that is one scenario. Here, సో ఇప్పుడు మన అమెజాన్ ఆర్డర్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఈరోజు డెలివరీ చేసాం. ఈరోజు ఆర్డర్ చేసాం, డెలివరీ వచ్చేసి 10 days 5 days ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డ్యూరేషన్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఈస్ డెలివరీ? What is the duration? How many number of days? Means order date minus delivery. So number of days. Clear? Okay. This is called as Dateadd function and Datediff function. Okay. Okay, let's go for now. Okay. I will go another page. So page 3 here. Okay. So here in this page, so I'm going to add here. So we have created one measure. Remember, total sales. Total sales, sum of total amount from sales table. We created yesterday measure, right? Total sales. So it is not saved.
సేల్స్ దాంట్లో చూడండి సార్ ఒకసారి, సేల్స్ లో క్రియేట్ చేసిన మెషర్.
No, save sales. Fine. Sales. That column is not there. Sorry, that measure is not there. Okay, let's create. Okay, go to sales table. I'm going to right click, new measure. Can you please help me how to write a measure? Total sales from sales table. Please do quick.
సమ్ టోటల్ సేల్స్.
Total sales, very good. Total underscore sales equal to
అగ్రిగేట్ ఫంక్షన్
sum of
సేల్స్
total
సేల్స్.
total amount. Yeah, this is the column amount, right? So total sales is created. Okay, so drag and drop this total sales here. So look at here, for the 2020 the total sales is much. For 2021 this is the total sales. Okay, so now I will go for one more navigation is day wise. Day wise or month wise I will go. Month name or month calendar, month or month name. Okay. So year monthly. So for the 2000, let's go higher. Sorting order. Here sorting order is simple. In SQL Server we have to write command. But Power BI just there is a arrow here. If we down means higher to lower. Up means high to low to high. So sorting order very simple here. Just click arrow up or down. Up means uh, ascending order. Down means this arrow is down means descending order. Okay. So now we'll give you date. So for understanding, we'll take 1 year of data. What is the latest year is here? So go to for year. So we have a lot of data is there. Instead of that, we'll go for year filter. So here we have different kind of filters. I want to filter out where the year equal to 2020. So here advanced filtering, basic filtering is. So if you go for basic filtering, as of now we'll go with basic filtering. What are the values here? It will show in this column. So the max value I'm going 2022. Okay, 2022. So the next one is we want to move up. So date field is there. 2022 January. These are all the dates. So these are the dates happened on sales on these fields. Okay. So now I want to create one measure. What is the month to date? I want to create month to date. Okay. So month to date is nothing but to what is the sales for current month. So new measure. So the syntax is month to date MTD. So MTD calculation is the syntax is total MTD. See, there is total MTD. There is a keyword total MTD. In the total MTD, what we are going to calculate? Total sales, right? What is the sales for current month? So we have to pass the total MTD. We have to pass the values. So here two arguments required. The very first one is total sales. We already created one measure total sales. Sum of total sales. Total sales. So this is fine. One argument. The another argument is we have to pass expression. Expression is nothing but to sum of total sales, or you can write that measure. Clear? This field. Understood, everyone? So second one is date. We have to apply dates. So what is the date field I'm going to apply? This date I'm going to give. Date of calendar. From calendar table on date field is okay. So that's all. So I don't want to filter anything. Just leave it. Filter is a optional. The mandatory is two fields is required. So total MTD. Okay. What is total MTD is nothing but to MTD stands for month to date. Total MTD. What is the sales for January? So how many records are there here? So in Power BI, you want to filter out the data. So you want to export this data into Excel. So there is three options is there. Right click, export data. Okay. Right click, export data. Data is there. So go to desktop. Data is there. Where is data? Yeah. Okay. This is now just now draft. What is the sales for current month? January month. This is January. So this is January. What is the total sales for January month? How much? What is the total? 113.68. So this is the total sales for 113.68. So now I have created this measure empty day. When you drag and drop here, it will give for all the rows. So here month name January. So total sales. Zero 01, 02, okay, 03, 04, 05. Okay, fine. So calendar date, fine. Total sales is fine. So if you're giving 4 plus 32, yeah. See here how it is working. 4 this plus this sum, we are going to this plus this sum and this plus this sum. So finally, yeah, for this month January. So what is the total sales? 113.68. So you want to remove this one, so we can apply total sales. Go to now. This time we'll go for is greater than or equal to 0. So you can filter out this record. This record I don't want to as part of the calculus. So I want to eliminate this record. So total sales greater than 0, whatever the values are there. Okay. I don't want to these 3 records. So I'm going to apply one filter. Apply filter. It will remove these records. Only whatever the is less than, not is less than, is greater than or equal. Okay. Whatever the greater than or equal to 0. So here, see now how it is there is January month, the very first sale MTD is the first day, January 1st. What is the total sale? 4.93. Next second day 4.93 plus 27.48. So this is like a cumulative process. This plus this one, this plus this one, this plus this one, like that. Finally, what is the January month sales up to here end? So what is in Excel? We are showing same 113.68. The same thing we are showing. So what is the February then? So the similar measure, just watch it. So click one visual, card visual. Okay. So drag and drop MTD. So the similar, what is happening is 100.78 MTD. This is average statistic. Okay, so that's all the difference. So we want to see the final value here, we can give it here. So in the second month, MTD means month to date. So the same similar February month, if it is there, similar calculation will happen. What is the February month? We check here. February, what is the calculation up to here? So for different color, I will give different color. So this is February month. So what is sum? 139.86. So let's say in the February month. So ending here 139.86. Okay. So this is where we can do MTD. The same similar function we can do here, modeling or new measure QTD. A simple MTD QTD. Here instead of that QTD is here. For the QTD, how it is cumulative? So earlier, day wise it will calculate. 10 o'clock? Okay, 5 minutes. Did not change this method. QTD. That's the reason. I'm first surprising the values are matching same. One function will do anything. See now, let's change 108, 108, 108. See now, change. So January month, it is cumulative, right? So for understanding, now we can remove the date. So easy now for understanding January month, Feb, March. One hierarchy level I remove. Easy to understand. What is quarter? Quarter it will calculate Jan, Feb, March. So Jan is 113.68 plus 139.86 is nothing but 250. 253 plus 174. This is 428. This is first quarter, quarter one. Again, quarter two. See the April month, the same value is there. First one. Then this plus this plus this. This is quarter two end. Like that, it will calculate. Okay. Understood or not? So same similarly, if you mention YTD, total YTD, YTD. లోపల డేట్స్ క్యూటీడీ ఇది లేకుండా అయినా వస్తుంది లెట్స్ సే న్యూ మెథడ్ YTD ఇంకోటి YTD, total QTD, YTD. I don't want to this. See here, 113, 253 YTD, Jan, Feb, March. Jan, Feb, 7 plus 1. It is starting with PL, 14 plus 1. Okay.
క్వార్టర్ కి యాడ్ అవుతుంది సార్ అది.
క్వార్టర్ క్యాడ్ మన హైరార్కీ ఉంది కాబట్టి. So, yeah. So, YTD means from Jan, Feb, March. So, 113.68, same. So, 113.68 plus the next month. What is the value? 1139.86. This is the value. Then this plus this value. So, don't check per quarter, confused. So, when you are checking for month wise, so we'll go for month wise. Then you can remove here. For the year wise, you can check here. So, easy for the calculation. Okay. Month this is a direct. Yeah, if you remove month name directly, it will give the value. Yeah, only 3 values. This value same. Then you want to see the granularity means year, month, quarter, month. So day. The 4 hierarchies is there in the date. These are remember. Based on that, it will change the data calculation, everything dynamically. It will change. ఈ ఫార్ములానా సో సింపుల్ ఇది కూడా అవసరం లేదు మీకు ఎట్లా పెట్టుకుంటారంటే సింటాక్స్ ఇది కూడా అవసరం ఇది ఒక్కటి పెట్టుకోండి సో టోటల్ YTD సో YTD మీన్స్ స్టార్ట్ డేట్ ఫ్రమ్ కరెంట్ ఇయర్ టు టిల్ డేట్ ఓకే సో ఇట్ విల్ గివ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ సేల్స్ we need expression and this expression just click here so we have to pass any date based on the date we have to calculate. See here. అది అవసరం లేదు ఇప్పుడు రిమూవ్ చేస్తాం అన్నిటికీ వర్క్ అవుతుంది అవసరం లేదు మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఎందుకు టు అవాయిడ్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ సో క్యాన్సర్ ఈవెన్ QTD అది మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్ అది చెప్పి డేట్స్ MTD ఎందుకు QTD ఆల్సో అవసరం లేదు లెట్స్ సీ నౌ హైరార్కీ సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, 'MTD', right? 'MTD' means 'month', 'quarter', 'month'. So it will give some of sales. We need expression. If formula na? So simple. ఇది కూడా అవసరం లేదు అవసరం లేదు ఇప్పుడు రిమూవ్ చేస్తాం అన్నిటికీ వర్క్ అవుతుంది అవసరం లేదు మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఎందుకు సో అవాయిడ్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ సో క్యాన్సర్ ఈవెన్ QTD అది మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్ అది చెప్పి డేట్స్ MTD ఎందుకు Go MTD. So see here MTD. What is the month it is now? The current month for the year. So we did not represent any month. We have to give the month name. So here month. See here total sales MTD YTD. See here MTD 113.68. So this plus this. Don't confuse. The syntax is very simple. Total QTD or total anything, total MTD. So if we go for total MTD, so total MTD is a function, dash function. So it will calculate month to date. So whatever the month to date, whatever the date you are passing here, so accordingly it will calculate and give you. So if specifically you can mention the month for month, you can get it only for that month. So for the January, so in the year of January, it will calculate all the days. In the year example, you saw, right? The date when you drag and drop, ah, this is measure. As you know, total sales is a measure. Otherwise, you can write here instead of this, we can write sum of sales. Sum of sales total. Come on. So this one also fine. So it will no changes here. See, just watch is 1244 is the value, final value. No changes. Will then both are same. So we can write measure as. So already we have created measure. So we can use that. Clear? So tomorrow we'll go for MTD, QTD, YTD. So previous month. How it is the previous month? YTD. Previous month. QTD. YTD. Huh? Previous. Previous. And same period last year. What is happening the sales? The same period. Means same period. What is the same period? January. What is the sales for last year? Exactly. 2020. We can go back that option. There is keyword. See that's keyword. Same period last. Tomorrow class the same timings. Is it fine? We want to change the timing. Saturday. Tomorrow I am available, so I don't have any office. Same timings will go up. Please let me know by OD. Okay. So if any changes required, just let me know. Okay. All right. Thank you guys for all. So, so for demo, please rejoin it. So I would like to this class is recorded. So I want to disconnect and please rejoin. You are joining for demo.